everybody? I'm here today to tell you about a top tip for steering a car. This is a great tip that will help you when you're steering a car, which, let's face it, you're doing all the time whenever you're driving. This will help you for your driving test, and this will help you with your regular, practical, everyday, day-to-day driving. So let's get right into the video. What is the top tip? Well, I'll tell you what it is, then I'll explain it. So stay tuned for the entire thing. It's going to be short and sweet. You need to steer with your eyes as well as your hands. Now, a lot of people see me steering in videos and they see themselves steering in a car and they see themselves steering with their hands. And that obviously makes sense because your hands are doing the motion, okay? Your brain is sending a signal to your hands to steer right or steer left or keep the wheel straight. But get this, where's your brain getting that information from? Your eyes, right over here. Your eyes are sending the information to your brain. What do you see on the road in front of you? You see certain things on the road, and then you send information to your brain, which sends it to your hands. So you're actually steering with your eyes. So first and foremost, whatever you perceive will actually send information for your steering reactions. So you need to, number one, pay attention to the road. If you see a curve, if you see someone, running onto the road or a car running a red light, you're gonna have to swerve, you're gonna have to brake. Your eyes send information for your steering. So you steer with your eyes in actuality. We're getting so meta here. We're getting so deep here. I'll tell you right now, the scientifics behind this is mind-blowing, okay? But in addition to what you perceive, okay, it's where you look. Now, I'm sure I'm assuming you know how to ride a bike, okay? But even if you don't, this is what you teach. When I was teaching my kids to ride a bike, this is what you teach them. You say, look where you want the bike to go. Kids want to look down when they're learning to ride a bike. You tell them, look ahead. And if you want to go right, you look right. The bike will follow. Your hands will follow your eyes. Yes, I'm picking my ear because I'm screaming so loudly that I'm getting like an itch over here. But anyways, wherever your eyes look, your car will steer that way, okay? I don't suggest that you do this, but if you ever notice that you're driving and you're like staring on the side of the road at a landmark or at an accident that happened, if you're rubbernecking, whatever the case is, you're staring at something, your car will drift in that direction. Whichever way you look, your car goes. It's as simple as that. So my top tip is, in actuality, to look and perceive the road, okay? In addition, look where you want the car to go. Basically, to steer with your eyes, okay? You're not literally like, oh, I'm turning the wheel with my eyes. No, I don't mean in that way. I don't mean in actuality, but in terms of theory, you want to use your eyes to guide your steering. That's what I should say, not steer with your eyes. Your eyes won't turn the steering wheel unless you got some crazy suction cup eyes or something. But in actuality, your eyes are guiding your steering. It's as simple as that. So whatever you perceive on the road and whichever way you look will send information to your hands to steer in a certain direction or veer towards a certain direction. If I'm turning right, I look at a 45-degree angle right towards my car. If I'm turning left, I do the same thing on the left. It's a natural instinct. It's how you become great at steering. That's it. If you want to be better at steering, make sure your eyes are doing a lot of the perception on what's happening on the road, and you're looking in the direction that you want the car to go. If I want to drive straight, I look far ahead straight. If I'm turning right, I look towards the right, not all the way, but like 45-degree angle this way as I'm making the turn. If I'm turning left, I look like right here, 45-degree angle this way as I'm making the turn. That's it. That is my top tip for steering a car. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.